Alright, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already seen the airsoft battles we have been doing, they've been pretty fun, except I have made a few modifications on my gun. I got a scope, got 2 lasers, a flashlight, and two lasers, Andrew. That's who I'm gonna be playing with, Andrew, and I will put the link to his video in the description. Today we'll be playing some new game modes such as free for all, King of the Hill. Hope you enjoy. Today I am wearing this like desert camo, but tomorrow I'll be wearing like a hunting camo, so I won't be too visible, I don't think. I don't know what I was thinking whenever I bought this camo, but whatever it was, I wasn't in my right mind. Also, I don't know where he is, if he can see me, but I got a little surprise for him that I've been agging on, and he doesn't know what it is. I bought a grenade. It says M18 smoke, but it's obviously got BBs in it. It's a freaking grenade. He doesn't know about it. So I'm gonna surprise him with that here in a minute. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Where's this little kid at? What's up? What? What's up? What's up? I thought you threw your hand out. What? I thought you threw your hand out. Yeah. Oh, dude. Oh, I thought we were going for a high five. Kind of surprised with that handshake. I was like, as soon as you got behind that little bee tree, I was like, oh dang, I got him now. As long as he didn't get me. You about hit me with that pistol though.
I know. It was shooting.
That thing got some range on it.
It's shooting like a laser.
Okay, don't know if you heard him explaining it, but basically he said we're gonna stack a few dead logs up. This is gonna be our King of Hill base. You have to stay on this base for 90 seconds. We're gonna have a phone with the timer. If you get hit, you go back to a set respawn. And your goal is to just come and basically take over, be the king of the hill, which in our case is this little base, for 90 seconds. We're gonna do one more practice round, then we're gonna do that. All right, second practice round, then we're gonna do King of the Hill. Oh shoot, he got close. Those flew upside my head. Did you say hit? Oh sweet, let's go. Woo! Bro. Yeah, the stock, I didn't realize, I was like, what the crap, why does it feel so weird? It was all the way out. I like playing with it like this. As soon as I got it like that, oh my gosh. You were going like right freaking, like I was mid-run, I had to stop because they were so zoom, 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 zoom.
Oh, dude,
go in this direction.
My hop-up is perfect. I can just reach you.
Oh. Alright, you're about to see a time lapse of us building the King of the Hill platform area. Yes, we actually do put work into these videos. Okay, this is our first round of King of the Hill. I think Andrew's gonna call us off. As you saw in the time lapse, over there is our base that we have to guard. You have to stay on it for 90 seconds, I'm pretty sure. It's a minute and a half. This is some fun crap. I really recommend y'all getting out and doing it.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh. Oh, shoot.
Oh. Oh shoot. That's scary. Ten seconds. Hit! Dude, you hit me with 1 second!
What?
Hit! Hit, 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 hit. I'm the king of this hill, baby. I almost pulled out the freaking grenade. Dude, I was this close to pulling out the grenade. Hey! 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 Let's go. That's game, baby. That is game.
That was the most exhausting game I've ever played. Whew. I ran through all my mags except for one pistol.
That was awesome. We're gonna do it again. This is not gonna be fun editing. I'm going GoPro to GoPro. I'm gonna get some Andrew's clips too. But hey, that was really fun. We're gonna do it again.
On to the next round.
Second round, baby.